Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the piano. We'll start by identifying the song's key and time signatures, which are crucial first steps. Then, we'll dive into learning the main melody for your right hand, followed by the foundational chord progression for your left hand. Remember to focus on maintaining a steady tempo and rhythmic accuracy from the very beginning to build a strong foundation. Now, let's focus on your right hand and the beautiful melody. Begin by mastering the opening phrase, which is often in the key of C major. Pay close attention to dynamics, varying your touch to play some notes softer and others louder, adding emotional depth. Employ a legato technique for smooth, connected notes, ensuring a flowing sound. Always practice slowly to guarantee precise finger placement and a clean execution. Next, we'll build the harmonic foundation with your left hand. Focus on learning the primary chords, typically C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice smooth transitions between each chord, ensuring a seamless flow. Don't hesitate to experiment with different inversions. This can add a richer, more varied sound to your accompaniment. Always maintain a consistent rhythm in your left hand to support the melody effectively. Finally, let's bring both hands together for a complete performance. Begin by practicing each hand separately, then slowly combine them, focusing on synchronization. Gradually increase your tempo as you gain confidence. Remember to add expression and emotion to your playing. This truly brings the music to life. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 30 minutes daily, will significantly improve your skill and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.